Hello, BookTube and AuthorTube. I know it's been the better part of a month since I did a writing update, and I was going to film one yesterday, but I kind of felt with that and also with my 2020 reading plans that I really should save those to like December 31st or even January 1st and do a sort of a bookish resolutions and a author resolutions video. But I do want to quickly update you with some of my post NaNoWriMo writing. So I finished NaNoWriMo early. The book, the story, novel really ended, and I wanted to go back over it and rework it, rewrite it, probably expand on some of the descriptions, which I didn't really do a really good job of that, and maybe retool some things that didn't really please me. And then I promptly basically threw the baby out with the bathwater and spent most of this month trying to completely rework the entire concept, which is something I am prone to do, but is also basically an impediment to actually getting anything done. So over the past few days, I realized I really need to just stop this. Okay, what essential changes do I want to make to this story? And then just implement them. Like, take what I've already written, excise the stuff I'm changing, add in the stuff I'm adding, and then just rewrite it from there. And then if it's good, awesome. If it needs more work, let it percolate for a while and come back to it. So that's largely where I'm at with this story. I'm still not entirely happy with the name. I'd originally wanted something sort of like, there was a bit of comment that sort of led to a maybe title. I think it's like Reaping the Harvest of Regret, or Reaping Regrets, or something like that. I'd also developed maybe Sorcery's Bitter Harvest, or something, or Bitter Harvest. And another idea I had was maybe The Price of Sorcery, but I'm not entirely sure. I'll probably decide on that once I finish like the rewriting and see if anything jumps at me title wise. Now there's every possibility this story is not going to be 50,000 words. It might just be what the page word count it currently is, which is, I think, still impressive. And does it necessarily have to be a novel? I mean, if the story can't really bear the weight of being a novel and works better as a long short story or novelette or novella, then why not just go with that? And maybe if I want to continue with this world, do a more like a short story series rather than a novel series. So that's pretty much where I'm at with my NaNoWriMo story. Hopefully I will start on it either sometime this next week, or wait until the new year to focus on that and then move on to other projects. But I will talk about that in my writer resolution video, or my 2020 writing plans video, depending how I decide to title it. But anyway, so that's about all I have on the writing front right now. I will talk a bit more next week or the week after. And see how we go from there. Until then, thank you, BookTube and AuthorTube.